Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.